So I don't know how to change the battery. I'm actually gonna record and show you guys how I'm gonna change it from scratch. Alright, so I turned off my phone. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Alright. I think that we have to remove these two screws. Okay. You bend in. Let's see how we do. Oh, I pray to God I'm not breaking anything. What? Okay, it's time to remove the adhesive. Damn, these adhesives. Oh, got it off. Okay. This is the brand new battery pack from iFixit. Okay, these are the new adhesive strips. I'm going to make it that it goes around there. I'm gonna peel this blue film back like that. Alright, I am going to now gently pull the adhesive strips back as instructed. Okay. Once it sticks, it's gonna use my fingers to roll down. And then I am going to make sure they stick. And then I'm going to peel back the film. Oh, shoot. That was not supposed to happen. I guess this is a real life scenario. I guess the adhesive strips are... Damn it. Okay. I'm going to have to cut it. I'm so lucky that I could just cut it with this. Okay. I'm going to improvise and just do that. Let me reattach the battery. Okay. Plug the screen display, these things back in here. Okay, so I reinstalled all the screws over here. Now I'm gonna reconnect this battery plug. The battery plug. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that in. Slide that back in, and I'm gonna. It's the moment of truth coming up. After I put these last two screws in. Oh my God, my iPhone turned on. Okay, I'm just gonna put my password. The home button is not responding. Well, this is real life of fixing. The home button's not working. I will have to... Touch ID works, but the home button doesn't. And for the time being, I'll put a virtual home button on the screen. See where we can go from there. Thank you.